Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to insert image inside the text using Adobe Photoshop in computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Adobe Photoshop. If you have not installed this software, then download and install it. So once you open this Adobe Photoshop, what you need to do, you need to select a picture, so you can see here, and you can just drag and drop here. But as I have already added my picture on my Adobe Photoshop, so I'm not going to edit again. So if you have not added the photo, then directly select the photo and just drag it on your Adobe Photoshop software. So after that, what you need to do, you can see on the left side, you can see here T symbol. Just select it, and above you can see here the font names. So you can select any font names, but in my case I'm selecting the impact. So let me select the impact. I'll be selecting this font impact, and you can select the size, how much size you want. I will keep it as 72, and you can select the sharpness, whether you want crisp, strong, smooth. I'll just keep it as default. Now what you need to do, just hold your left mouse and just select the area, type the text you want to type. To move this, just press Ctrl on your computer keyboard and just move using your left mouse and place it where you want to keep that name. So I will keep in the center. Now what you need to do next is, you can see on the right side here, you can see a background and the text, right? So select the background, and you can see here a lock button. Just left click on it to unlock it. Now what you need to do, just select this layer 0 and just drag it up above the text, just like this. Now what you need to do, you can see on the layer 0, just put your cursor on the side and just right click, and here you will get options of selecting one option, create clipping mask. Just click on it. Voila, now your picture has been inserted inside the text, right? But it looks very plain. So if you want to give it a 2D or 3D looks, then what you can do, just select the text on the right side, and now you can see below written FX. Just click on it. Now under this FX, you can see here bevel emboss. Just click on it. Now you can see here it's automatically turned as like 2D and 3D style, right? You can just increase the depth or decrease the depth depending upon your needs. And once you're done, click on OK. And if you want to keep a little shadow effect, then once again move to FX, and here you can see drop shadow. Just click on it. So you can see some shadow portions has been added. You can increase the size of the shadow also by dragging this shadow. If you don't need, then you can keep it as 0. Click on OK when you are done. Now if you need a background, then you can save it as JPG or any other picture format, but if you just want a transparent background, then you need to save it as PNG. So let me show you how you can save it as transparent. So for this, what you need to do, you need to go to the file, just click on it, and you can see here export, and after that you can see here save for web. Just click on it. Now under this banner, what you need to do is, you can see here different file formats. Just select this PNG 24, and you can see here transparency, right? So just enable or tick mark this if it's not enabled after selecting PNG, and you can click on step. So I'll just name it. And I'll just click on save. So it's being saved. So let's check it if it's saved or not. So I will try to open. So let me drag this whether it's transparent. So you can see here it's fully transparent. So you can see here it's fully transparent, right? So using this cool tutorials, you can easily insert image inside the text using Adobe Photoshop in any computer. So if you never known about this tutorial, then try it out today. And if you find any difficulty in understanding this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you like this video tutorial, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.